Yeah, so this is what we're gonna be making this evening. All right, so we got ginger. All right, we got the ginger, and I got some more. Okay, I got more ginger, man. Got more ginger, guys. Okay, we got one of ginger. Yeah, whole heap of ginger. All right, so large portion of ginger into the blender. You don't know the thing go. All right. Yeah. All right. So we got one medium-sized lime. Chuck that straight inside of it. The skin of the lime is amazing. I love the skin. All right. Yeah. And now we're going to get 2 medium-sized beetroot. Yeah. You don't know. Beetroot is good. A good vibes. All right. Yeah, man. The beetroot is amazing. Yeah. Yeah. That's the beetroot right there. Lovely. So we're done the beetroot. All right. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna get some water. All right. So we're gonna put some water into it. Roughly about a cup of water, not too much. All right. Yeah. Alright, that looking good. And now take this right here. Okay. And now we're going to blend it. Alright. Alright, so you can also get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys. Okay? Get yourself one. Good vibes. Let's blend up this and make some nice. What is that? Okay. Alright, guys, I didn't tighten this good. Alright. This didn't tighten good at all, but a good vibes. You know, one time I was blending in the kitchen, guys, and I tell you something. The whole place end up mess. When me talking about mess, I mean mess up, like proper messed up. Didn't tighten the blender the right and proper way. Oh my days, I have to clean up the kitchen. Everywhere was a mess. And I was like, oh, okay, a good vibes. Alright, let's blend again. Excellent. All right. Yeah, man. This is my favorite, man. Beetroot. All right. This is very powerful drink, guys. Very, very powerful drink. All right. At least 10% of this is right here, sir. Yeah, man. No sugar, no sweetener. Don't put sugar in this, guys. Drink it naturally. All right. Excellent. There's a little bit more. Sometimes I just go back and just squeeze it out properly and get all of that beneficial from it, you know? Yeah. Good vibes. Excellent. All right. So what we're gonna do? All right. We're just gonna simple pour it out. All right. Yeah, man. Just like this. Excellent. Just imagine you're drinking one of these every single day. All right. Just every day I drink one of that. Can you imagine what's gonna happen? It's gonna be amazing. Okay? This is just beautiful, nice, and also delicious. Drink this 2 times a day. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Can you imagine? All right? When they be great to know that I send this to my family and friends. 100%. Broccoli is very good. And cauliflower is very good for prostate. Breast cancer also. All right. The message this evening, we are calling upon all black man to come closer and listen. Because some of you guys are just going out, having a great time and having fun, but you forgot the most important things in which we're supposed to be taking care of. Okay. We're not going to be saying drinking beetroot. Beetroot is good for high blood pressure and also very good for the immune system, for the gut, and get a better gut health. But this message this evening, we are sending out a message to black man. Ladies, your time to wake up. Don't be too comfortable at home and sitting down in your front room watching these American program and feel comfortable at home. Don't do that. Okay? Do the right thing, get yourself checked, looking after yourself, because yeah, it is real. And you know exactly what I'm saying. It is real. Black men who live in the Caribbean, we're not talking about Jamaican only. We're talking about like Trinidad, Barbados, Guyana, all of these Caribbean countries. Africa also. Black man, we are calling on you. Go and get yourself checked. Go and get your blood test checked. Okay? For prostate cancer. It is real. And don't get this thing too twisted and think, oh yes, it's that finger thing. No, it's a blood test now. It is 2020-25 now. We are in moderation time where you get yourself checked. Okay? So get yourself checked, guys, and come back and let me know how you guys coming on. And yeah, but in Jamaica, I know about Jamaica. A lot of people in Jamaica are going away from it very much as they can, calling cancer. Okay, so that's why we are calling on all Jamaican. Cut down on your rice and peas and your meat and start to look after yourself. It is very important. Do things in moderation. All right, don't eat the same thing every day, every day, every day, every day. Okay, yes, thank you so much. We are calling upon all of the black men in the Caribbean, America, Canada, Jamaica, wherever you are, wake up and get yourself checked. Okay? And also the ladies, go and get yourself checked. Breast cancer and different kind of symptom where you know you guys come with every year or every time. Get on yourself check and get yourself look after, and don't be comfortable at home. A good vibes. If you like what I'm saying, please share the video. Don't keep it to yourself. Tell a friend, put it down on a WhatsApp group. Black man, you don't have to send them the video. You can send them the title. Black man, be careful of prostate cancer. It is real. If you don't believe me, do your search. Okay? It is real. Trust me. It is real. When we talk about real, we mean real. And it's sad because it's when it happened, then everybody feel the pain. The other set of family feel the pain. Okay? Wake up, guys. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Stop sleeping. It is real. Big up on yourself. Have a lovely evening. And I will catch you now with another video. We're going to be talking about this prostate cancer for the rest of the week. Okay? Calling upon all black man to go and get on yourself check. Someone that's comfortable too much, and you need to go and get yourself checked. All right? Blood test.